Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 and 14 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Redmi Note 14 comes with IP64 rating and the Note 14 Pro comes with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Both two phones come with 6.67 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both mobiles are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. They offer 3 rear cameras, a 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultrawide and 2 megapixel macro, and also 20 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. This device includes 5G connectivity studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.